want to remember this. Touch not the Lord anointed. So you see anything when I plan and plot for me, it's invisible to me. But at the same time, me a prosper in front of you.
My neighbor for please people. So I don't care how you feel about me. Continue feel.
So the man said to you.
Ask me how much man me fuck. Them say me have to use film to him sister to him brother to him and finger every blood clot. So me can't remember.
So you can't remember how much man you fuck?
Why me remember me never have time to count them.
More than 20?
We'll have passed that.
More than 30?
We'll have passed that.
50?
In another region though.
50 man?
I hope more.
Bumbo clad, the pussy still tight?
Same way.
Amal! You! Me never see nobody do this yet. No man, go ahead.
But it's nice.
But no.
Fleshy as a yam.
Thursday go long out my tongue and skin out on my style, stand up like a lady. Them couldn't believe them have to text me and say, yeah girl. Me put on naked clothes. Me never did I go wear no jazz the night. They got top notch. But go on with myself and express my little feelings. And me stand up like a soldier the night. I drink my liquor till me ready. Kawa. I don't want to stain my name there so cause they know this so too. So tell me now. You're gonna just get up so and walk. You're not going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere. Cause I'm not going to get up so and just walk out of my life. You can't do that. You're not to do that. You're not supposed to do that. You cannot do that, man. You can't do that. And I know them going to send it because them a screen record it. I know them going to.
The lady says she beat out you clat.
Girl over no man. Well, me the beat out no blood clot for me man. Some money there too dry. Like post broke blood clot cut in it.
Jamaican to go do the most Anna.
I know, soap in the rack. So all that's
So she mad at who took it off WhatsApp.
Any of my find out say you take this off of my blood clots to where me I go fuck you up. Remember me tell you that. And if I know me fuck you up, somebody I go fuck you up for me. Best blood clot believe. And everybody with the on my WhatsApp status now me I pre the wall fucker on the
Tester. Who are the new dance name again? That one I hope like for Mount Everest.
Mega breast.
Who are the new dance name again? Who are the new dance name again? That one I hope like for Mount Everest. What's silicone breast name again?
Mega breast.
Ready to fall and me never get wet.
When a narcissist cannot get you back in that relationship, situationship, friend circle, organization, marriage, whatever it was that you were to them, when it really dawns on them that they cannot piggyback off your success, they can't pretend to have contributed to anything that you have, they can't play the manipulation, triangulation games around you because you actually live in your truth. And in the real world, they start a smear campaign. Now, what a smear campaign is, it's when the narcissist goes on this million to billion man march, right? Looking to recruit people that they could have had. It could be old friends that also don't have any access to you, old family members that you don't associate with, and sometimes complete strangers, right? So they go on this march recruiting people, and they either want these people to go against you with them, or they just want people to listen to them talk about you or vent about you, whatever it is. 1 time out of 10, if it's good, which the chances of that are very low, is to gain something from you. But 9-10 is always negative. And this is done completely out of malice, bitterness, jealousy, envy, and things like that. It's also done so that it gets back to you in some way. You come defending your name, you come seeing about them, you come checking on them. It really, really hurts their ego that they do not have access to you. It also hurts their ego to know that they only resonate with the immature, unhealed version of you. They know that where you are today, they could never, and you would never. And so that really, really affects them on an emotional level. But again, the smear campaign is to get some sort of reaction out of you. It's so that you defend your name, you come see about them. They don't like that your life is what your life is, and theirs is what theirs is. A lot of times they feel like you guys should be trading places or that you owe them something, but you owe them absolutely nothing. And I'm here to tell you today, continue to go no contact.
Some of y'all don't even know what's going on in the relationship, but yet still just want to push yourself. But when y'all get your opportunity, you're gonna never shine like a diamond. You're gonna never shine bright like cocoon mamas. It's like LED lamps, battery lights that till long mamas. Low powered batteries with no fucking power, cocoon mamas. Like come for your little today. Yes! All that time I the man, you're taking the man in secret. Y'all boasting. The man wasn't even.
Me not itch up and down a man arm like Roland. Pass positions so the boy can't try program me.
Any fucking girl we out here saying she don't have no man and I not with nobody and nobody not with me. A man fucking beating it bad. You dig? A man beating it fucking bad. Them fucking girl and them just lie. Why them is lie so? Only y'all on single. Only y'all on my proper beating right now. Yes, I.
No. Cause you pass your place right now. Right about now, you pass your place. You pass Jamaica, you pass Haiti, you gone all the way Argentina, you freak.
Uno go from side a blood clot. Got suck on the mother. Me not like Uno.
Personally, me not feel like a woman supposed to beg a man for act right, because relationship work both ways, and if him not move right, baby, find somebody else do it.
One thing me tell myself, if you fuck for me, me not hang myself. Me not man trying a blood clot. Me could never kill myself, and the midfield full up. You crazy?
G-brain.
G-mate, what you want to do?
G-brain is pink and the brain.
Same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world. One of the bodies we start celebrating right over this. So you don't know nothing about this continuous thing, man.
You want to do?
Come on, you want to do? We have asked them around the world, dog. Pinky and the brain.
Man we suck pum pum get special treatment. Them the man there for cherish and protect. And them the man there for serve and protect.
That means so if they are prisoner and feed
Yeah. Man we suck pum pum forget.
I want to go back to the 19-year-old who used to F cartel. Go back to the 17, 18-year-old who used to F cartel. Young and do some things differently. More to make him my heartbeat. More to just.
Girl, I see you look up in them, the look boy in my community, a lizard them come, I don't have a problem. But I say you woman and no girl, if you want a lizard, look underneath your car, you walk with a maki level between your legs. And that's why your man fear wear a bulletproof vest, girl, appear rupture and die. Girl, the way you ugly, you make my left body jaw jealous when me I try for shit, girl. Appear blood in your panty seat, girl, you make man a story, you do the pattern and reverse your poop. Baby love, don't start with me, cause from you know you don't cute like me, go on one side, my very face.
Yes.
Every man to a blood clot girl.
I never tell a boy some I have stiff breast for juke out them yai. I tell a boy some I breast long, so when him have up on a backers, it round there with him.
Nah, like, I'm drunk and want some fucking I'm a pussy. Some more I'm all fuck out.
After 9 o'clock, you're not on a privacy on no phone. You're not on a privacy on no phone. Anybody call you after 9 o'clock, put your phone on loudspeaker and me hear a walk. Make me invade in your privacy. You're not on a bumbuckler privacy after 9 o'clock.